Sonika, in this session, we will learn entire Microsoft Power Platform within less amount of time. Okay. So to log in the Power App, okay, I give one credentials to you. Okay, you simply log into this mail.powerapps.com. Okay. From left hand side, okay, you are seeing one navigation menu. Can you able to see?
Yeah.
Okay. So and at the top we have one 9 dots here. Okay. From here you can be navigate to any application like Microsoft 365, Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, Power BI, and lots more. Okay. So all the applications you have to navigate. So you can navigate from here. Okay. Then we have the home button. So in the home tab, you can describe the application. Like if I want to create the expense tracking application, so you can simply type here expense tracking application. Okay. So by using this prompt, you can create the app. Okay. So we will see this after some time. Okay. First, let I give the complete overview of this studio. Okay. So at the top ribbon, you can able to see the environment. Okay. So we have the different environment. Okay. By default, one is default. Okay. For creation of application, we will use developer environment. Like you can see, we have one developer environment. We also created one Sanika developer environment. Okay. So let's I showcase you how to create that developer environment. You see how to navigate to the admin center. In the admin center, here you can be create the your developer environment. Okay. In some of the cases, simply click here new, use the name here. Okay. Select your region, group, type here. You can see the all types of Power application. Okay. One is trial, developer, production, and sandbox. Okay. So trial is subscription based. Okay. Developer, like we build the application in the developer one. Okay. Sandbox we will use for the testing and other things, and production for the final use, means for the end user we will use the production. Okay. In this we have one option, add as a data source. Okay. So by default some of the templates and other things you can able to see. So this can you can see in the, if you turn on this, so you can see this. Okay. So this is simple overview. In this way you can create the developer environment. Let's go to the Power App one more time. Okay. If you have any notification and other things, you can see in this notification icon. Okay. And if you want some help, okay, if you want to learn something, so from the help here documentation is present. Okay. From here you can learn the entire Microsoft Power Platform. Yep. Then we have support community and blogs as well. Okay. So in the community, if you have any question, you can simply go to the community tab. Okay. And pose the questions here. Okay. It is opening. So here you can see we are in community. If you have any question, okay, so you simply just pose the question here. Okay. Expert will answer your question from this forum. Okay. Let's go one more time to Power Apps. Okay. So I hope you understand the top ribbon of the Power Apps. Understand?
Yes.
The top ribbon.
Yeah.
From here you can search your application and other things. Okay. If you want lots of applications present, you're not able to find, so you can search here. Okay. In the gear icon, you have some other things as well. Okay. If you need to change this theme, you can simply change theme from here. Okay. Here we have the theme section. If you want to change password, you can change it. Okay. Then here is one important thing is present, developer resources. Okay. So let's click on that. So you can see your environment unique name, environment ID, organization ID, web API endpoint. Okay. So this web point is used to call your data over tables and other things. Okay. So this you keep in mind. Okay. Not mostly asked in anywhere into the other things. Okay. Then we have Power Apps settings. So language, other things if you need to change. So from here you can change the language and other things. Yep. And if you want to change the user, okay, you can change from here as well. Okay. Plans, okay, which license you have if you want to see. So from here you can see your Power Apps for Office 365 and Power Apps Community license. Okay. From here we have options to see that. Okay. And if you want to see who will log in, okay, just simply click here. So you will get the information about you. Okay. I hope you got the top ribbon overview completely.
Yeah.
Okay. So then in the home page we have this option. Okay. So let's try and use this. Okay. Let's build app. What should you do? Okay. So by using prompt, you can create an application. So simply I just give a prompt here. Okay. Here suggestions also. If you want suggestions, you can click here. Okay, it will provide you suggestion. So by using prompt, our application is getting ready for the creation one. Okay, so it is take some time to create the application behind the scene. First, it will create the data source here. Okay, so like you can see, the it goes and create the two table here. Okay, one is expense, one is expense category. Okay, if I click here view data, it will add some dummy data as well. Okay, if you want to add the new column, so you can add the new column. Okay, and give the name to it. Like we have now expense names. Okay, lunch, transport, groceries, amount, date, category. Which column you want to add something here? Just suggest me one.
Hello.
Yes.
You can add name, column, department, ID,
Okay. So let's add the
address.
city of purchase. Okay. From where it is purchased. Okay. So let's add a city column. Okay. So you can use the data type. Select from data type here. Okay. Text, number, data and type, lookup, currency. Okay. From here you can do that. If you want to make it required, here we have the option. Make it required. Schema name. It is came by default. Okay, I will showcase you how to create this schema name. Okay, and what are the best practices to follow for the creation of app. Okay, so let's click on save. So you can see city column is added now. So I can add here like Kopargaon, Pune. Okay, Pune. In this way, you can add the city data in the column. Okay, I hope you understand. For same for category.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you want to add the new table from here, you can add the new table. You have the options start with CSV, SharePoint, or you can simply describe and then it will create. Okay, I hope you got this. Okay, so let's simply click save and open app. So and let's see what app it will give me. Okay, so let's go and see what application is creating. So it is loading. It will take some time because behind the scene, by using Copilot and the AI, it is generating an application for us. So it will taking some time. Okay, it will create a three-step application. So by using that, you can perform the CRUD operation easily. Okay, so let's wait
Okay.
for creation of this app. I hope you understanding everything. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah, great. Okay, so you can see now our app is loading now. Okay, it is created successfully. It is loading. Okay, so you can see our data source is added in the application. Okay, it is take some time, 1 or more, max to max 1 minute it will take now. So we'll wait for that much of time.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you can see our application is ready now. Okay. So we have three screens. Okay. One is welcome screen. Okay. So you can modify this welcome screen. Okay. So simply for the beginner, just delete this. Okay. Add one image from the Google. Okay. Let's I showcase you how to create the welcome screen. Okay. Plus icon and simply search here welcome screen photo. Okay. So you can use any image from here. Okay. Simply let's download this image. Save as. So this image is JPG. For welcome screen. Okay. Let's select the screen here. Okay. And if at the right hand side property is not showing, so here we have the option property. Okay. So let's go upload image. Okay. Let's use this image. Let's change this to the stretch. And let's add one simple button here for the navigation purpose. Okay. We see this everything. Okay. But we are in this page. So let's showcasing it. Okay. Navigate function is used to navigate from one screen to the another screen. Okay. So I simply provide a navigate expense screen. Okay. And let's change the button name. Now if you see here, let's click on play. So if I click on the start button, it will open our application. Okay, we will see this entire studio overview once we finish our home page. Okay, so let's go one more time and let's open the Power App one more time. It is easy to create the welcome screen. Can you able to create?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So welcome screen is very easy. You simply go find one image. From there you can create the welcome screen. Okay. In the home tab, we are seeing this. So this up to this we are seeing. Okay. So after that, we have some more options to create the application. Here it is showing start with data, start with the page design, and start with the app template. From the names, you can be identified. Okay. Here is also some description is there. If you want to start the application from the data, so from here you can be start here. Okay. Like same, you can create the table. You can add the existing table, and if you want to connect external data like Excel and other things, from here you can be connect the external data. You can see SharePoint, form, SQL, app data sources present here. Okay. So start with page design. Select here. We have some of the designs. Okay. Pre-built template. If you want some design, so you can create from here. Okay. If you have some Figma design, so you can just upload that Figma design from here and create one. Okay. If you want header main section, so here some of the pre-built templates are present. Okay. So from here you can create.
Okay.
Got it?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sanika. Excellent.
Can you please explain me all the properties of Power App? You
Which
explained
one?
the navigate.
Mm-hmm.
So can
we,
you
we
please
will go
explain?
okay, we will go to this. Okay, from start to template is simply here some of the templates are present. Okay, for the learning purpose
Okay.
you can focus on Power Apps training for office. You can create this application. Okay, you can go through this application, see the functionality. Okay, how this application is created, which formula is written on which page. Okay, so here some of the templates are present. You can use this, you can learn from this. Okay, and you can create the project of this asset. Okay, like leave request,
Okay.
site inspection, all that things. Okay, so this is done. From here you can see your application, all apps. Okay, and here some of the things are present for learning. Okay, then we have second tab. One is create. Okay, same things you can create the apps from the different sources. Okay, here it is present like blank data or SharePoint, Excel, SQL. Okay, and here are the templates are present. Same as like home. If you want to learn the things, okay, so here it is present. That same from the help section. Learn, same tab is present here. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are going fast. Okay, now because you are understanding. Okay, in the app section also it is same. Okay, you can start with the same thing. Okay, here also you can start with Copilot, start with data and other things. Okay, now here you have three tabs. You can see your all applications here in the my app that you created. Okay, then you have the share with me one. Okay, so if anyone share application with me, it will showcase in share with me, and in the all both my app and share app will show you. Okay, and here one more option we have. Okay, if you select any app here. Okay, like I selected here weekly timesheet app. Okay, so from at the top you can edit, play, share. Okay, so this question might ask in the interview how to share the Canvas app. So we have the share option here. Okay, as well as from these three dots. Okay, share option. So we can share. Let's I showcase you how to share that. Okay, let's I give the name here Sanika. Here you can change the active user phone. So Sanika, can you just told me what are the different activities? Okay, what is meaning of co-owner?
Sorry, but I don't know.
Okay, so user means user can only view the application, and the co-owner means that owner can edit the app as well. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Can you repeat one more time? What is user and what is co-owner? Let's ask you one simple question. If I want to edit the application, okay, so how you share the app with me? Hello?
Hello.
Yes. So can you told me if I
Can
want
you?
to if you want to share the
Hello.
app. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. You can continue.
If you want to share the app with me and I want to edit that, so which permission you will give to me?
Co-owner.
Okay, excellent. So by using co-owner permission, you can edit the app in the PowerApps. Okay. So this question mostly asked in the interview. Okay. So how to share with the group as well?
Okay.
It will ask. Okay. So then what you have to do for the group, we have one action here. Okay. Here you can see +1. Use the classic one. Okay. In the classic one, you can share the app with the group. Okay. So from
Okay.
here you can share the app with the group. Okay. In the bulk, if you want to share the app with someone, so you can share it from here. Okay. This question asked sometimes in the interview. Okay. So please be noted. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. So
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. So if you want to export this application, means if you want to download this app, so if you select the app, we have the export option. Okay. From here you can export the application. Okay. And if you want to see the details, okay, we have the details section. So in this you can see the version of the application. Okay. Connection, what flows usage. Okay. So it is asked here. And here also which license is required for the use of app, it is shown here. Okay. So in this page, what is version, okay, can be asked question mostly. Okay. And
Okay.
how to see the license. Okay, this is also asked. Okay, it is standard. If it is not standard, it is premium showcase. Okay. Okay, I hope now we cover all the points. Okay. And if I have the MS app, okay, so for the import also we have one option. Okay, in the app, from here you can import the MS app and the zip app. Okay. So if you see here canvas, so this MS app file you can access Microsoft Power Apps. Okay, full form of MS app. From here open, it will load and create the blank application. Sorry, that application here. From the import you can do it. Then we have flow. Okay, so here you can see the flow like Power Automate, and here from here you can create. Then we have the table. So here you can see all the tables and create from here. Okay, I will not. Okay, so in the tables, that some of the questions are okay. What are the types of tables? Okay, so we have the three types. Okay, if you see here standard, just I click on here, standard, elastic, activity. Okay,
Okay.
so in the activity section you can track the activities. Okay, standard means all are the standard table, like you can see, like once you create the table it will become standard. And here you have custom, means those tables that created by you. Okay, those are come under custom, and all you can see here. Here from here also you can import data from Excel. If you want to import from the table section, you can import data from Excel. And if you want
Hello.
to, yes,
Can you please repeat the type of table? Standard, custom, and another is
activity and elastic and virtual. Okay, virtual means, okay, this is mostly virtual. What mean by virtual tables? Okay, virtual table means data versus costly. Okay, so if you have data that present in your Excel file, so you can connect the data to the Dataverse. If you make the changes in your Excel file, that will reflect in your Dataverse table. So those types of tables are called as virtual tables. Okay,
okay.
got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So custom is not the type of table.
No, no, it is type of table that you have created. Okay. Standard, custom
Okay. Okay.
means those you created. Okay. Mostly asked by what is virtual table. Okay, virtual table. Those tables are not present in Dataverse, but the schema is present in Dataverse. Like let's say give you example. Okay. So let's I showcase you simply how to create virtual table. This is important. Okay. So you can create the table from the external data. You can see. Okay. You need to create the connection. So let's I select first one from SharePoint. we will create the table. Okay, you can provide the URL here of your SharePoint. Let's like create for the timesheet app. Okay,
Okay.
so for time entries, let's say selecting this list, display name, plural name, and schema name. It is asking. So display name means your table display name. Okay, schema name. It is the internal name of your table. It is always unique. Okay, display name might be similar, so that's why it is asked. Okay, plural name means at the end it will add the year, and the primary key is here ID. Okay, it is by default coming. Primary field is also title. If you know some of the basics of SharePoint, simply if you click on next, so now if you do the changes in your SharePoint timesheet list, okay, that will reflect in this table. Okay, got it now?
Yeah.
Okay, great, excellent. If you not understand anything, okay, just let me know. And if you ask anyone how what are the virtual tables, so you can also store the procedure how to get virtual table. At the end, you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
explain it is a copy of the data set. Then they can understand. Okay. So
Yes.
now we have
Yeah.
the solution. Okay. It is important, and each interview this question is asked. Okay, what is the solution? Okay. Mostly. So you have any idea what are the solutions?
No.
Okay. So simply, solutions are like a container. Okay. So in that, let's like showcase you how to create a solution. Okay. So it is always recommended when you start a new app. Okay. Create the solution. So let's like use here expense tracking app solution. Here, display name is like you also know. You can able to see that is display name. Okay. In the name section, you cannot use the space. Okay. If you use space, it will throw error. Publisher. Okay. So let's I click on the new publisher. Publisher means in simply if you able to see here. Okay. Previously I showcased you. There is something schema name is showcasing. Correct? You remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. So that schema name is generated from this prefix. Okay. Like here, if we need to add Nika Sandeep Thorat. Okay. So SST. So this prefix will came before each table for the each application. This prefix means internal name will start with this prefix. Okay. Let's give the name as Sanika Thorat. And here as well, let's use the name. Okay. Here you cannot use the space. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the preview of new object, SST object. Like SST, your table name, SST, your app name will came like this. Okay. So from here you can identify. Okay. These are the my table. This is related to expense app and other things. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is publisher also mostly asked in the interview. So you should know. Publisher means it is simply used to distinguish the your tables and other things. Okay. From here you can also provide phone number, email address, website, and address other things. Okay. So this information is used. Okay. Like we have the Play Store, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to share this app in the Microsoft open source, okay, like there you can see open source in the Play Store in simple language. So from here, if anyone wants to contact with you from the new publisher, your contact details will share with him or her. Okay. Got it? It is not
Yes.
important to fill this. Yeah. So let's I click on the save. Okay. From here, let's select the publisher here, Sanika Sora. And from here, you can change the publisher. So here we have the versions. Okay. It stands for major, minor, field revision. Okay. So this version, when you do the pipeline, okay, means this app is you are transporting from the developer environment to the production and or for the testing. So this version number will change. Okay, you should know, na? Means this one time I change the application, second time I just change the application and deploy to the production. So this you identify by using this version number. Okay, this will change automatically. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and here configuration page means, okay, if anyone lands to your solution, if you want to display one welcome message or anything, so from here you can create the configuration page. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So here we have the two types of solutions. One is managed and one is unmanaged. Okay. So when you create the solution first time, that is always unmanaged. Okay. What is unmanaged means you can do the customization, you can do the development in the simple word. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. This question mostly asks what is managed and what is unmanaged. So unmanaged, in the unmanaged solution, you can do the customization, you can
Hello.
make the changes. Yep.
Can you please explain this in brief? Manage and unmanage.
Okay. Simply, if solution is unmanaged, okay, so you can edit the app tables in that solution. Okay. And manage means you cannot
Okay.
make the changes in the solution. Okay. Got it?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Can I give some examples to you so you can understand or not yet?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So manage means someone is managing that thing. Okay? So you cannot go to the another one's property and make the some of the changes. Correct. So that is a manage, and unmanaged means
We
it
manage.
is yeah, there is a you can
We can make the changes.
yeah, correct, got it, excellent. Let's I
Yeah.
click on here create. So solution is creating now. Okay. So why I think solution is like container. Okay, if you see here, we have two tabs. Okay, one is new, one is add existing. Okay. So from new, you can create agent, component, collection. You can create the app from here. Okay. And that will present in
Okay.
this box. Okay. Means in the container
Okay.
existing. And if let's say I add some points here, let's we create one table simply. Let's we create this table fastly. We will take the help of Copilot. It will boost our speed and efficiency. Okay, we need only one table, so let's I go and removing this. Okay, 7 exit.
Yes.
And we are recording this session as well. Okay, if you're stuck anywhere, you can go and watch one more time. You can identify each and every step. Okay, so now you can see this
Yeah.
table is
Yeah.
present in this solution, correct? And if you
Yes.
go here, so here if you see the name, can you able to see the name? In the name, you are yes, yes, Kanika Sandeep Thorat. Prefix is added. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is prefix? I think you understand now.